Page 495, number 63. Okay. In exercise, find a, b, and c for the function f of x equals a sine b of x minus c, such that the graph of f matches the figure. Okay. So we want to remember what our parent graph of sine looks like. So it is this, where we are at a period of 2 pi. Our top of the mountain, bottom of the mountain are at 1 and negative 1. Okay, so first thing we want to do is find the top and bottom of the mountain. So pick a top and a bottom. It doesn't matter which ones. Okay, we're going to see how far apart they are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are 6 apart, which means our line that currently on our parent graph is the x-axis is going to be halfway between the top and the bottom. Okay, so 3 away from the top. 1, 2, 3. So this line is the same as our x-axis here, which means since it's on our x-axis in our newly formed graph, there is no vertical movement of this graph. Okay. Now, since we have found that it's 6 apart, if I take half of that, that is 3. That is our amplitude, which is our a. So for this function, we know f of x equals 3 sine, and now we have to work on this inside. Okay. First thing you want to do is find where we hit 0. And does it look like the beginning of that first hump? So my first 0 I see is right here at the origin, but I'm in between the mountain and the valley. So I'm going to back up 1, and here is my first point that corresponds to 0, 0. Okay. So if I complete 1 full period, this is the period of my function. Now, because they have only labeled a few points on this graph, we're going to not use this one, we're going to use this one, because remember, it is periodic, so this beginning point is the same as that beginning point. Okay. So from here to here is 1 period. It's easier to see that we have moved right pi on this one. So I'm going to write that down here, right pi. Now, remember, we have to remember about b before we put in minus pi in here. Okay. So we have to figure out what our full period is. Is it still 2 pi? If it's still 2 pi, b is 1. If it's not 2 pi, then we have to figure out what b is. So if I go from here to here, that is pi. Here to this spot will be pi. And another pi. So it is still 2 pi is our period on this. So b is going to be 1. And c, again, we've moved right pi. Since b is 1, we don't need to doctor this pi at all. Right, when we put it in, is really inverse. So minus pi. To clean that up, this equation would be 3 sine parenthesis x minus pi.